I get goosebumps, akhi. Hearing the brother hear his story, wallahi. When there's no internet, I just read I don't know how many pages of Jamu Bayan al-Ilm wa Fadli. Phone is there, and I have internet. I might spend that same hour that I spend reading that, I might spend it checking messages.
Are you the Arabic guy on YouTube?
The Arabic guy on YouTube?
Yeah.
The Arabic guy, huh?
It started with a young man that just wanted to understand the Qur'an. And now, it's a global movement you'll probably want to be a part of. This is Muhammad Al-Andalusi on tour across 4 cities in Australia. September 2025. Behind the scenes, raw, unscripted, on the road. Welcome to the Arabic Revival 360 tour.
As a non-Arab speaker, what do you think? What do you advise someone in focusing on? Like Arabic بين يديك is all كلمات.
صح.
ما شاء الله ما شاء الله منور يا محمد خضر الشيخ ما شاء الله.
You seem like a master at Arabic.
Nah, I'm not master, man. We still learning.
Every single talk that you do, you're always telling us how important Arabic is.
It is. Don't let anybody make you think that they are a master at something because of how much they talk about it.
Fire, bro. You good? That's it, man. That's up now. How long have you been training for it?
Now it's been like a weekend, so.
Now we're working the upper back, but I think the main thing will be trying to fix that, bro.
Yeah, for sure.
Anything else? What about extension coming backwards?
That's it, man. Nothing
No
else.
problems? How's that feeling there, man?
It doesn't hurt, but I do feel that this muscle right here, or tendon, or whatever it is, it was heavily impacted when I twisted my knee.
Yeah. So you got something called the popliteal. It attaches from here and goes around. And a lot of the jiu-jitsu guys get this constantly. Because when they kind of try and tweak it, they move.
Yeah.
They'll wrap their legs around something, they'll try and move, twist their body.
Yeah.
And then this actually twists around the knee and causes a big problem, man.
تعلم الادب
ليه؟
تعامل مع الشيوخ كده
احترام.
No, you push the chair of the شيوخ تعلم الادب اهو
Allah. Damn, son.
Yeah, I agree, man. Captain Bradley Marshall speaking on behalf of myself and the entire crew. Welcome aboard our flight 769 back across to Sydney.
صرف essentials in
Quite
Sydney.
strong.
Preparing for it.
النهارده بقى وصلنا سيدني عشان كده الإنسان لابد أن ينتبه ويحترس اللي حوله.
يحاول.
أخذنا الشنط
الشنط.
والنهارده ودلوقتي نروح إن شاء الله الفندق ونشوف من اللي يستقبلنا.
Like I was telling the brothers in Melbourne, if you spend in Egypt more than, I would say, 3 years living there, you get the, what is it called in English? Shahadat al-Sabr.
It's certificate of patience.
Yeah, certificate of patience. Wallahi. So, subhanAllah, I got there when I was 19, and to be honest with you, it made me a man. It made me it brought me from a teen to a man.
What year were you there?
That was 2011. Literally when Morsi came down.
Okay, you were in the peak.
Yeah. So I saw Morsi come down, I saw Sisi take over.
Where did you live? What area? In Nas?
The first year I was in Alexandria, and then I was in Qahira.
I went to Egypt. I only knew the alphabet in Arabic.
MashaAllah. See, these are the brothers I want to put on camera, man.
I'm telling you.
Just seeing him, you can tell already, yo, this is possible, man.
I'm telling you, I didn't know. Just the alphabet, and I was saying, I didn't even know how to pronounce them properly.
MashaAllah.
I went to Egypt. I spent 8 months. I left Egypt, memorized nearly Juz Amma.
Allahumma barik.
Reading from the Mus'haf.
MashaAllah.
Remember, I came from a Christian family. And finished Arabiya بين يديك book ثاني. So the first chapters and then the Kitab ثاني second. The green one. Just from Muslim. It's like it made my asas.
Yeah.
It gave me that asas to keep
For
to
sure.
learn online. And to be able to do this. Subhanallah.
You know me, they look at me, they like, many times they say he's Arab. But they don't realize I was on the same plane, on the same boat as well. When I went to Egypt, I didn't know. I actually learned the alphabet on my own when I was in Spain. And I knew how to read very, slowly. But same thing, when I got to Egypt, I didn't know nothing.
So, and I just asked the one teacher, where'd you learn Arabic? He goes, Egypt. I go, oh good. I message him later, I go, send me your teacher's number. The next week, I booked a flight, I went to Egypt. I had a truck business, I sold my truck.
Jameel.
I sold everything. I had 15,000 and I went there.
Jameel.
And then subhanAllah, from this action, anyone can do what we did. It's nothing. The thing is, keep doing it.
I get goosebumps, akhi.
SubhanAllah.
Hearing the brother hear his story, wallahi. Wallahi, this is what we're here for, man. To share, actually show people that it's possible. People, they need to hear stories. And they need to see transformations for them to actually believe it. Because a lot of people, they block themselves from actually even starting by thinking they cannot do it.
يعلم الله في قلوبكم خيرا يؤتكم خيرا. أنت فقط انوي في قلبك الخير. كيف يأتيك الخير لا تدري. من أين يأتيك الخير لا تدري. أي خير يأتيك لا تدري. وخيرا هنا نكرة تفيد العموم المطلق، عموم الخير. فأول ما تستيقظ من منامك تذكر مثل هذه الآية: إن يعلم الله في قلوبكم خيرا يؤتكم خيرا. فانوي الخير. كيف يأتيك؟ ليس من عملك. فإذا نقص الخير فهذا بسبب عدم نيتك وعدم إرادتك.
As a non-Arab speaker, what do you think? What do you advise someone in focusing on? Like Arabiya بين يديك is all kalimat.
صح.
And
I mean, they do have nahu as well.
Is all nahu and no kalimat basically.
Yeah, I mean, I think is a stretch to say all of it,
No.
but I get what you mean.
Yes.
It's like the main emphasis, yeah.
What do you recommend?
What I recommend is what the scholars recommend, which, for example, Ibn Faris, if you go back to the early scholars, they described lugha to be two things. Ibn Faris, he says, there's a branch and there's a foundation. He says that the branch is vocabulary, and he says وَهَذَا مَا يُبْدَأُ بِهِ عند التعلم, and this is where you should start in the ta'allum. And he gives an example of رجل, حصان, قصير, طويل. Likewise in the Qur'an, when Allah Azza wa Jalla says وَعَلَّمَ آدَمَ الْأَسْمَاءَ كُلَّهَا, in the Tafsir ibn Kathir, Ibn Abbas, he was asked, did Allah as well teach Adam alayhi salam plate and fart, akramakumullah? And Ibn Abbas, he said yes. So vocabulary is what the person should start with, and what vocabulary is what is going to allow you to speak as much as possible, even without grammar. Even yesterday, wallahi, we were in the plane. I was like, subhanAllah, when there's no internet, I just read I don't know how many pages of Jamu Bayan al-Ilm wa Fadli. Phone is there, and I have internet. I might spend that same hour that I spent reading that, I might spend it checking messages, checking comments on Instagram, checking this. And I had that moment in the plane where I was like, yo, I gotta get rid of this Instagram, man.
You get so used to it, it's just like
you don't realize. Yeah, but that's you're the Arabic guy. I'm like, yeah, akhi, I am just a drop in a big bucket of which is the Muslims. Some other students, they might have a Chinese background, Asian background. They might see Ustad Mukhlis. They get inspired in a way nobody else could ever inspire them.
That's true.
So this is why I believe that everybody should بلغوا عني ولو آية, to try and do حتى أقل القليل. There was this brother in Melbourne. He came, he shook my hand. He said, because of you, obviously he said it like that, but because of Allah and then you, I went to Egypt for 2 years and learned Arabic. So this is the things that I personally, I always say, I don't even consider myself, like, I even started studying ilm and seeking knowledge. I literally didn't. I'm still working on my hifz as well, my hifz of the Qur'an. But I understand how, because I myself, I got inspired by other stories, and I understand how stories can inspire somebody to just start. And then once you start, khalas, the rest, comes literally. We went to Mauritania, right? We went, me, Hanif, and another brother, American brother. So we met a family, a Mauritanian family. We just say, yeah, we just here. We just want to spend 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, memorize the Qur'an only. One of the sisters from that family, she started crying. She's Mauritanian. She started crying. Why? She said, subhanAllah, they come, leave their whole families, leave everything in their countries to come here and work on their Qur'an. What are we doing? And she started crying. So you never know who you can inspire by what the Sheikh was saying, just being you, just showing it to people. But this is why it's important that you show the real you, not like many people try and like you show the real you is you with your mistakes, and letting people know, like, look, there are scholars, there are speakers, there are students of knowledge, and there are people who want to be students of knowledge. That's where I am right now. If I don't say Qala Allah or Qala Rasul, don't take it from me. This is what I'm going through. This is what I am currently, working on and so on. And people just get inspired by it. Like, it's literally just pushing the person, go and learn from the scholars. And the person needs to understand the purpose of why you need to learn Fusha, and the more, as Imam Shafi'i said, وَعَلَى كُلِّ مُسْلِمٍ أَنْ يَتَعَلَّمَ مِنْ لِسَانِ الْعَرَبِ مَا بَلَغَ جُهْدُهُ. The Muslim should learn the Arabic language as much as his efforts can reach. And so he shows that it's a long-term, lifelong goal. And the more you learn about the Arabic language, yes, even those little words that you think might not be useful, you might come across it as you are reading about the life of the Prophet, something he might have said. You might want to know what it means just from the aspect of understanding what the Prophet ﷺ said, so you can feel like you are with him, you understand his language. The more you are able to do that, the more you love him. The more you are able to understand what the Sahabah meant when they spoke, their expressions, the more you love him as well, and the more you feel like you are with them. So it affects your level of religiosity and your level of practice of Islam. So from that aspect, it's very beneficial.
Hopefully we see each other again in the dunya. If not, ask about me, man. You get out there. By the way, Sheikh Abu Bakr responded.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah, منور يا محمد الخضر والشيخ MashaAllah. So بإذن الله we will see you then inshallah.
And likewise comes with, with the English. I don't know if you guys are, whatever jargons and whatever ways of speaking you guys have here in Australia. You guys probably heard it online. Somebody says, oh, this guy, he has aura. Oh no, this guy, he doesn't have aura. Oh, this guy, he's losing aura. Or the roasting, oh, he violated you, the roasting culture. All of these things is not. In the Arabic language, it's so hard to lose aura if you speak the Arabic language. When you speak English, you might say something. Next thing you know, somebody says, oh, pause, bro. How can you say that? Bro, why would you even say that? It's like, well, what did I say? That I'm going to eat to the steakhouse? No, you didn't say that, bro. Pause. It's like, subhanAllah, I can't even speak. And so, subhanAllah, through a language, there's manners that you gain or that you lose. Anta Muhammad Al-Andalusi.
MashaAllah. May Allah give you barakah, inshallah. And accept what you do.
Ameen. Jazakallah khairan. Thank you very much for having me. Shukran. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum. MashaAllah. The next generation. MashaAllah. Next generation of Arabic teachers. MashaAllah. Hayakumullah. Assalamu alaikum. Ahlan wa sahlan. Ahlan wa sahlan. How you doing? You good? Tamam, alhamdulillah.
Are you the Arabic guy on YouTube?
The Arabic guy on YouTube?
Yeah.
Maybe, I don't know, it could be.
I subscribe to him.
Muhammad Al-Andalusi, the Arabic guy, huh?
Yeah.
If that's how you call me, then I might become the Arabic guy. MashaAllah. Ahlan. How you doing? You good?
Good, man.
MashaAllah. Thank you, man. Where you from?
Yeah, from here. I'm Turkish.
Turkish, huh?
Yeah.
MashaAllah.
Taller than I thought.
MashaAllah. You wanted to be taller than me, huh?
I did. I was like, I'm gonna be taller.
MashaAllah.
I got you a gift, inshallah. You wear clothes, yeah? Obviously shorts and that.
Yeah.
I got you a gift, inshallah, from my company.
I appreciate it, MashaAllah. Jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum.
It's new, inshallah. We launched about a month.
Wait, one second. I'm gonna talk to you, huh? Naam. How you doing? أنت تدرس العربية من يديك؟ إيه اللغة الجميلة دي؟ كانوا يقولون معلمي اللغة في مصر كانوا يتكلمون هكذا. إيه اللغة الجميلة هذه؟ ما هي اللغة الجميلة هذه؟ إلى أين وصلت؟ الكتاب الأول؟ أنت في الكتاب الأول؟ طيب إن شاء الله لنرى. السلام عليكم. كيف حالك؟ هل أنت بخير؟ ما جنسيتك؟ نعم؟ جنسيتك من أين أنت؟
من باكستان.
ما شاء الله. لا سلام. إن شاء الله next time I see you we're going to speak only Arabic إن شاء الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. حياكم الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Alright, should I open this? I'm gonna put the brother on the vlog, man. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Apex, that's the name of the brand?
Yeah.
MashaAllah.
Ooh. They're Aura shorts.
Quality.
Aura compliant. Aura compliant, yeah.
MashaAllah. Oh, that's what I'm gonna be sparring in.
Yeah, inshallah.
I'm gonna get El Gamal da. Inshallah, Jazakumullah khair akhi. I really appreciate it.
Anytime.
Appreciate it akhi.
No worries.
Apex, huh?
Yeah, Apex.
Apex made in Sydney.
That's it.
Jazakumullah khair. Then we're gonna take a screenshot for that. Yeah, Jazakumullah khair. Really appreciate it akhi. Thank you.
Bro. Take care.
The person is saying, he said, Tahadaw tahabbaw. Give gives, it will increase love in between you guys. Jazakumullah khair.
Gotta show warmth, you're in Sydney, bro.
Jazakumullah khair.
Yallah, assalamu alaikum, bro.
Assalamu alaikum, Ahla. How you doing? Khalid ibn Walid, Saifullah, Allah. MashaAllah. Where are you from?
Bakr? Sudan.
Hey, Sudan. I was gonna say, but I didn't want to mess up. حياك الله يا زول عشان كده انت بتتكلم العربية مش كده؟
ايوه بتكلم عربي.
الله ايه اللغة الجميلة دي شفت؟ الله الله. السلام عليكم. For sure, yeah. Hey, one of the brothers take a picture. You want to hear the background?
In Edmondson Park,
Inshallah. You know, he knows about backgrounds. He's now, but here it looks better. Hayakumullah.
I want you to be my teacher in Arabic.
You want me to teach you?
Yeah, like I want you to be my online teacher. Like, can I get?
Nah, if you want me to teach you, you gotta come to Mauritania. We're going to the desert.
No, so like.
Better then.
I know your online class. I've been on your website. I was gonna ask my parents to think.
Yeah, but I'm not the one that teaches online. We have Ustad Akram, we have Ustad Affan, we have Ustad Yusuf, we have Ustad, and they are actually better than me. They are better than me.
Wow.
You laugh. They are better than me.
But like you're like, you seem like a master at Arabic.
Nah, I'm not master, man. We still learning.
Every single talk that you do, you're always telling us how important Arabic is.
It is.
Yeah.
But don't let anybody make you think that they are a master at something because of how much they talk about it.
Right.
It doesn't matter how eloquent somebody is talking about something, you know. But inshallah, join Andalus Institute and we're gonna teach you. There's many instructors
on your website.
in there. Yeah.
Are you the founder of it?
I am the founder. Yeah.
I'm much taller than you are in the videos.
Yeah. May Allah bless you guys. Sure.
Inshallah, next time you come to Sydney, I'll be speaking to you in Arabic.
Inshallah. Hayakallah. We are here at Masjid Al-Bayt Al-Islami. I've heard it took mad long to build this masjid. However, today we had the honor to motivate the people and continue our mission in this tour to revive the Arabic language. We are in Sydney for a few more days. We have some programs, so if you are blessed with seeing these before we end the programs, I expect to see you in Sydney. Come get motivated. If you have been thinking about learning the Arabic language for a long time, the time is right now. And the best time it was already last year. The best time after that is right now. Come get motivated. Come find out how you can start. And the secret to getting ahead is getting started. Boom, 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 boom.